This is LPSR28. Hi. Well, we have baby birds. Well, baby bird now. Some of them died. But my dad's feeding a baby. Worms. That's the worm. Here's the baby. You can eat it. Daddy, you're holding his head.
No, he's not opening his mouth. He's scared now.
We don't know what kind of bird this is. Put that on?
Yeah, me. Trying to peck me.
Oh. It's okay. We won't hurt you. We're trying to help you. What happened to the worm? Here's another. Oh, you can't see it. Crap. So blurry. Show him the worm.
There you go. You did it.
You
You want more? When you whistled, he opened his mouth.
There he is.
When she whistles, he opens his mouth.
When I whistle, he
Go
opens
ahead.
his mouth.
Damn, he's falling to
Mom! It's still on his mouth.
He usually puts it down his throat. See how they ate it?
Mm-hmm. That's inside his mouth. The other one, he's not
Will
gonna
whistle?
make it. There you go. You like that. There you go. Want me to get the other one?
We can. I don't know how much you want to eat.
Okay, if you see. Did he open his mouth? Ew, ew, oh God. I'm sorry.
I'm scared of it.
Come here, wormy. Can I chop it? Sorry, wormy. There you go. Hi, birdie. Yeah? Sorry. Well, I'll see you again later. Bye. Do-do-do-do-do. Wait, no, not right now. Can I try and feed him? He's hungry. Are you hungry?
You want to feed it? You gotta cook some up.
Like this?
Yeah, get some on there. You. Oh,
I'm horrible
acting
at
all
it. Here.
scared.
Here, I have a better idea. Oh. No. He's like,
Eating that.
The worm's crawling.
Oh, that's the best you can do of
That's not no bird.
He might be done.
Might be full.
Yeah, it looks like he's going to hurl.
Without even swallowing.
They don't swallow. They don't have teeth.
You just drop them in the stomach.
No, she pukes it back in their mouth. She'll chew it, then puke it in their mouth. Or swallow it or something. I think he's good. You good little guy? Where are we gonna keep that worm?
Yeah. You know, eat this.
See, I whistle. You see him stick his tongue out?
Mm-hmm.
He puked on me.
It didn't.
I'm kidding. Come on, little guy.
Yeah, grab that thing, Erica.
This?
Yeah, hold it right there so I can pick it up.
There you go.
Yeah, whistle.
Yeah, I have him.
He's moving around.
I'm gonna name him Calmy because he's calm, unlike the other two.
You don't got him over there.
Yeah. Should I do this?
No, but you were off to the side.
Like this?
We'll see it when you record back.
There we go. And now we're gonna put him back in its nest. Come on, little guy.
It's probably full.
Yeah. I bet he knows there's no more worms for him. Okay. Up there, you see is the nest. Up in there. You can see it. It's right there. I bet you can't see it because of the light, but that's it. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.